Small and medium furniture pieces play an essential role in home decor, providing a range of benefits that often surpass those offered by larger items. While large furniture can serve as focal points within a space, medium and small pieces contribute to the overall harmony and functionality of a room in unique ways. Understanding the advantages of these smaller items reveals their significance in creating comfortable, stylish, and adaptable living environments. One of the primary benefits of medium and small furniture pieces is their versatility. These items can easily fit into various spaces, making them ideal for homes of all sizes, particularly in urban settings where square footage is often limited. Their smaller dimensions allow for creative arrangements, enabling homeowners to maximize their space effectively. In contrast, larger pieces can dominate a room, restricting layout options and potentially making a space feel cramped. The adaptability of medium and small furniture encourages a more dynamic design approach, allowing for frequent rearrangement that can refresh the look and feel of a room. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture ideas and medium woodworking project ideas for your modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Medium and small furniture pieces also offer increased functionality. Many of these items are designed with multiple purposes in mind, making them invaluable in contemporary home design. For instance, a compact table can serve as a workspace during the day and transform into a dining surface in the evening. This multifunctionality is particularly valuable in smaller homes, where each piece must work harder to meet the needs of the occupants. Large furniture, while sometimes impressive in appearance, can often lack this versatility, leading to underutilized space and limited options for daily activities. Another significant advantage of medium and small furniture is their ability to create a sense of balance and proportion within a room. In many cases, a large piece can overwhelm a space, making it feel uninviting or chaotic. Medium and small items can help establish a more harmonious arrangement, allowing for a mix of heights, shapes, and textures that contribute to an aesthetically pleasing environment. This careful consideration of scale can enhance the overall design, making a room feel more cohesive and thoughtfully curated. The emotional impact of medium and small furniture pieces should not be overlooked. These items can evoke feelings of comfort and familiarity, often serving as personal touches that enhance the warmth of a home. A small side table with a cherished lamp or a cozy chair in a reading nook can create inviting spaces that encourage relaxation and connection. Large furniture may lack this intimate quality, as it can feel more imposing and less personal. The presence of medium and small pieces allows individuals to infuse their personalities and stories into their spaces, creating environments that resonate with their lives and experiences. Moreover, medium and small furniture pieces can facilitate better social interactions. In social settings, smaller items can encourage conversation and engagement, creating a more inviting atmosphere for gatherings. For example, a compact coffee table can serve as a central point for drinks and snacks, promoting a casual and friendly environment. In contrast, larger pieces might create barriers that inhibit interaction, making it more challenging for people to connect. The strategic placement of medium and small furniture can enhance the flow of a room, fostering a sense of community and togetherness. In terms of practicality, medium and small furniture pieces are often more accessible and easier to handle. They can be easily moved, rearranged, or transported, allowing for greater flexibility in design. This ease of movement is particularly beneficial for individuals who enjoy frequently changing their decor, or for those who may relocate often. Large furniture can be cumbersome and challenging to move, requiring more effort and planning. The lightweight nature of many medium and small items enables homeowners to experiment with their layouts without the physical strain associated with larger pieces. The aesthetic appeal of medium and small furniture pieces also plays a significant role in their importance. These items often serve as accent pieces that add character and style to a room. They can introduce color, texture, and visual interest, enhancing the overall design without overwhelming the space. A carefully chosen small accent chair or a stylish side table can make a powerful statement, drawing the eye and elevating the decor. In contrast, large furniture, while potentially striking, can sometimes lack the subtlety that smaller pieces can provide, leading to a more balanced and sophisticated aesthetic. Additionally, medium and small furniture pieces can contribute to improved organization and storage solutions. Many of these items are designed with built-in storage, allowing for efficient use of space. For instance, a small ottoman with hidden storage can help declutter a living room while providing additional seating. This emphasis on organization is particularly valuable in smaller homes, where maximizing space is essential. Large furniture often lacks these practical features, leading to potential clutter and disorganization. The emotional and psychological benefits of medium and small furniture pieces are also significant. A well-furnished space that incorporates these items can promote feelings of well-being and comfort. The ability to create cozy, inviting environments can have a profound impact on mental health, fostering relaxation and reducing stress. In contrast, spaces dominated by large, imposing furniture may feel less inviting and more stressful. The presence of medium and small pieces allows for a more nurturing atmosphere, contributing to a sense of peace and contentment within the home. Moreover, small and medium furniture pieces can be more environmentally friendly. With a growing focus on sustainability, many manufacturers are producing smaller items using eco-conscious materials and practices. This aligns with the values of consumers who prioritize environmentally responsible choices in their purchasing decisions. By opting for medium and small furniture, individuals can support sustainable practices while still enjoying stylish and functional pieces. This commitment to sustainability can enhance the overall satisfaction that comes from curating a home that reflects personal values. The ability of medium and small furniture to promote mindfulness in home design is another noteworthy aspect. These pieces encourage individuals to consider their choices carefully, selecting items that truly resonate with their aesthetics and needs. The process of choosing and arranging medium and small furniture can foster a deeper connection to one's living environment, promoting intentionality in design. This mindful approach can lead to more satisfying and meaningful spaces that reflect personal tastes and lifestyles. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture ideas and medium woodworking project ideas for your modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.